10 today from my second ID. That is a cuck move. Hello, hello. What is that name, bro? Like, come on. You're giving my first. Bro, you're entering a deep dark hell. Honestly, I also need to tell you guys something. My Leetcode streak is over. I deliberately broke it. Reduce music. Okay. Yeah. So I wanted to say that I've deliberately broken my Leetcode streak. Please stop the music. Music band kar de. Bro, you people don't like the music at all? What the hell? Any tips for the contest? First time I'm overwhelmed lag raha hai. I have given 50 plus contests and I still feel overwhelmed, bro. The only tip is don't cheat. It's a long run, bro. You can't expect to gain a rating forever and just don't cheat. And I guess yeah, that's all, bro. Watch out for int overflows. Watch out for int overflows. Yep. Today I will feel. Why does it translate to English? YouTube is so irritating. Bhaiya tagda minus lagega. I know for real. It's not. I have been getting negative ratings since the past 5 contests. I don't care, bro. I don't care for negative rating. कुछ सुना ही नहीं आया. I hope I'm audible now. I hope I'm audible now. Hold on. Bro, I just came back from a run, by the way. For intern, should we consider fintech or tier 2 product based? Bro, as long as you're getting a job, who cares? Who cares? Haircut looking fresh? You think so, bro? Does this look good? Does this look good, bro? I think it looks absolutely disgusting. That's why I'm wearing a cap today. Because if you're regular with contest, thanks, buddy. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. We have 3 minutes, 2 minutes before the contest starts. I thought it looked ass. I'm still jobless. Adesh, bro, what year are you graduating? Chob. Bro's calling me Chob. Who the hell? Swarna में कुछ erectile dysfunction हो गया? Not yet, bro. Like, touch wood? Not yet. Touch wood? Not yet. Bro, we 4 friends are thinking to start live streams of contests, no advance camera and mic. Please give tips. What tips do you want? I mean, go for it, bro. Go for it. I'm also jobless. Seriously, bro? I mean, I wish the best for you. I hope you get what you deserve very, very soon, bro. Very, very soon. Wait, let me open Leetcode now. Let me open Leetcode now. Leetcode contest. Okay. And also, I don't think so many people have heard it that I've deliberately broken my Leetcode streak because of a very solid reason that I'm gonna announce probably today later in the stream or maybe tomorrow. Wanna know problem name before contest? We need to report Geeky Anshu to Leetcode headquarters. This guy is a hacker, bro. He gets to know problem names before even the contest occurs. What the hell? Last time also he did this, bro. How the hell does he know what problems are gonna come before the contest even starts? Bye, let's meet after the contest. Okay, bro. Bye-bye. Hairline reveal. Kaushik, bro, shut up. Nobody's revealing his hairline today. Nobody's revealing his hairline, sir. Just names? What do you mean by that? Just names? No, not names. I think he gets to know the problems too. I think he gets to know the problems too. Geeky Anshu is an intern at Leetcode. Oh, maybe that's why. Makes sense, bro. He's probably an intern at Leetcode. Does Leetcode even hire interns? I don't even know. If they do. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds, bro. Yap all you want. What's your setup? It's just me and my laptop, bro. Nothing else. Nothing else, bro. Just me and my laptop. Let's go. Okay, 10 seconds. Good luck to everybody. Don't fucking cheat. Let's go for it, bro. Let's go. My screen is blurred, right? Yeah. Given an integer n, denoting the number of floors in a building. Return the Moving from 2 to 1. What? What? What is this question? LE minus. Why do we need N here? Why do we need N here? I don't get it. I don't get it. Why do we need N here? You got to serve all the requests. Yes. I don't know. If it's wrong, bro, I'll kill myself. Come on. Minimum operations to make a rotated palindrome. Palindrome, are we serious? Are we serious, bro? You can perform the following operations any number of times in any order. Choose any index I and replace SI with the next lowercase index. Move the first character of the string to the end. Okay, you can increment them. Or, okay, return the minimum to make S a palindrome. What the fuck? Move the first character of the string to the end. Okay, increment. Oh, this shit is ABC. Left rotate the string BCA, increment BCB. YB. YB, ZB, AB, BB. Wow, bro. Wait, so how do you solve this? My screen is blurred, right? Yep. So let's always write down what you're thinking, bro. Pro tip, bro. Always write down what you're thinking. Writing makes everything look so clear. So we need to make string palindrome. We can either increment a letter. Why? Move the first character. Return the number of. Let's also look at the third question. I'm clueless for the second question. Kth digit in infinite string. A digit DP question. A digit DP question. It's a digit DP question. An infinite string is formed by concatenating. Hold on. Hold on. Concatenating the decimal representations. Without separators. For every non-negative integer B, block B contains the positive integers from 10 raised to B. What? Non-negative integer B. Block B contains the positive integers from 10 raised to B to 10 raised to B plus 9. Okay. If B is even, then therefore the string starts from the integers 1 through 9 followed by 19 to 10 and 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 19, 18. Bro, this is digit DP. And the second question looks tough as hell too. Incremented error or rotated. I think it's just 2000. So we can get rid of rotation. So rotation is simply out of the box. Yeah, okay. Just look at string s plus s. Okay. Okay, now what you have to do is, now the question becomes, you have a string, you need to find the minimum increments to make it a palindrome. Make it a palindrome of, okay. Makes sense. Uh, so we look at ABC, ABC, right? Now you have to find a string. So the what does the question becomes? Given a string of length 2k, find a substring that takes minimum operations to palindrome, to make it a palindrome. Fair. Fair. I think we can just brute force it, bro. I think we can just brute force it. Yeah, just n. How many times? N times. It's n square. I think we can brute force it. I think we can just brute force it. Yes. Hold on. Move the first character of the string to the end. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think we can brute force it. Okay. I think I have the approach in place. Uh, mm, it'll go from 0 to 2n minus 1. So we'll go from 0 plus n, comma n minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus n. So that's 2n minus 1. Yeah, fair enough. Ops required equals to ops needed for your on SS from, let's say, your I comma I plus n, right? Right. Int rotation rec equals to rotation rec equals to your, move the, yeah, is my rotation logic correct? Like ABC, ABC. So we'll see BCA. Now to make it BCB, okay, rotation required equals to I got the logic, bro. Okay, I just need to write the palindrome logic. Int ops needed on a string s int l comma int r uh, if l is not equals to r, difference equals to absolute between uh, SL minus SR uh, equals to minimum between difference comma 26 minus difference, because A and Z would be ASCII chart of A and Z. 97, 97, 122 minus 97, that's 26 or 20, 25. Yes, that would be 25, or 26 minus 25, 1. That is correct, that is correct, that is correct. Right. Total plus equals to min difference, L plus plus, R minus minus, return total. Bro, does this work? Zero, zero. What? If, what the fuck? Why is this not working? Uh, for int I equals to, what? Bro, it's time to debug. Checking. You're adding difference. What the hell? I plus M. L and 0 and 3, right? 0 and 3. Checking A and A. Oh, okay, okay. I think it's going to be I plus n minus 1. Taking A and C, adding 2. Right. My fucking dumbass. Bro, we got the logic. So the first one it's 2. For second one it's 3. There's no way this doesn't work. What if it's already a palindrome? What if I add a test case of A, B, C, D, C, B, A? Yeah, 0, right? There's no way we get a TLE. 2 and this should work. There's no way we get a TLE. There's absolutely no way. Let's go. Let's go. Finally! Now I can spend all my contest focusing on that digit DP question. Penalty in first 2? What? Please give. बालों के साथ क्या हुआ? Bro, do they look that bad? Do they look that bad? Code with swastik, brother. What's good? What's good? Indian barber needs to learn medium, not short. Medium is not short, it's medium. Honestly, it was my bad, bro. Yeah, I don't even want to talk about it. Hello, bro. Wamsha, bro. What is up? What is up? Wamsha, how have you been? Brother, can someone from the chat tell me which language do I use? I use CPP. I use CPP. If you are a man, you need to use CPP. Third is a digit DB question. I need to understand and learn in digit DP and then solve it. All while the contest is live. I think even second was a good question. Even second was a good question. Hey, hello, bro. I haven't done Leetcode for long. I've forgotten everything. I can remember pattern now. You can or you cannot. I didn't even understand what the third question means. What is my rank? 3300. Look at this. An infinite string is formed by concatenating the decimal representations of positive integers. Okay, okay. For every non-negative integer b, block B contains the positive integers from 10b to 10b plus 9. The integers in each block are appended as follows. Therefore, the strings and so on. Okay. Return the kth digit of this string. What the fuck do they ask? And the fourth question is elevator request 2. During each second before all requests, equivalently, a request fulfilled. Return the minimum total penalty required to fulfill all penalties. Required to fulfill. Okay, so it's all simultaneously. Move from floor 4 to floor 5 in 1 second. Oh, you're given a start. So you're given a start. Floor 5 in 1 second. Penalty for floor 5. Yes. So to go from 4 to 1. And what is the it's 10 raised to 9. No, that's just a value. Request length is 1500. There's going to be 1500. It basically means Wouldn't at every point of time you would go to the closest? What if they are okay? If everything is no, 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 no. Okay, this requires some brainstorming, bro. Honestly, fourth question is more interesting than third question. I can't even understand what third question is asking. Third question is so stupid. Bro, two solve. Third is looking strange. Simple brute force, buddy. Don't think too much. Trust me. For what? For what, bro? I use Changir, bro. For what? Windows in 2026. Rage bait. What? Third is not digit DP. It is. Do you look at the constraints? It's 10 raised to 15. It is digit DP, bro. What the fuck? Like, come on. A blind man could tell you it is digit DP, Adesh, bro. There's no way on this planet that it is not digit DP. Or is it? I don't think so. I'll be able to solve third. I think fourth looks more interesting, though. 371. Okay. Let's take this for example. You have a number line, okay? Think of this as a number line. 3, 7, and 1. This is 1, 7, and you are here. 3. The point is, if what is it? You only at any given time you have just two options to go up or go down. Right? It's just 1500 requests. At any given position, like there are 1500 requests. All values in request are distinct. Is it DP though? I was thinking of just going into the elevator that's going at the floor that's closest to you, but I don't think so. It should be that simple. From 3, you go to 1. Yeah, makes sense. You'll reach there. I think you should always go in the direction that is contributing, that has more floors left. If what I'm trying to say is, if you had something like 13, 26, not 26, 23, 33, and let's say a 43. So what you can do is, yo, this question is good, bro. This question is good. We focusing on third question. A blind man doing it wrong. It's by nature, it's not digit DP. Yeah, come on, bro. Yes, it looks digit DP because it is. It's by research. Okay, screen not visible, blurry one side. It's because I have blurred it, bro. I can't show you guys my code when the contest is live. What do you mean? I can't show you code when the contest is live. That's why I blurred it. Is my FPS okay? Why is everything blurred? It's not everything, it's just the right side of my screen. There's no way that's binary search. At least for the fourth question, how many people solved the second and third question? Problem list. How many people solved the second question? 6.8k. It's not that easy and everybody's solving it. It's not that easy though. Everybody solved it, but it's not that easy. 1000 people solved the third. Is third that easy? Wait. I think there are two parts in third question. First, you'll need to see in which block would the kth digit lie. Once you know that, 10b plus 9. Every block is just 9 length, right? Not 9 length, it's 9 numbers. Every block is 9 numbers. And the length of every... Hold on, bro. Okay, it might actually not be digit DP. Wait, even third now looks like... I feel like I have something in mind. So, every block is 9 numbers. The length of every block is... And every number would be of equal length. It's going to be 10b is 9 star 10b 9 star, the length of the number would be 10b plus 1, 0 फिर 10. Okay, so it's going to be 0 से चालू होगा, फिर 10 से होगा, फिर 20 से, फिर ऐसे ऐसे करके 100 से चालू होगा, 110 से. Okay, so you find the... Fair enough. So you find the... Okay. अब जब when b is 3, when b is 3, you have 30 to 39, 30 to 39, right? How does b tells us what is the length of digit? Wait, then you have 10 star 11. B equals to 0 to 9, 2 digits. B when 0 to 9, then it's 2 digits. B when 10 to 11, then it's fucking not 10 to 11. 99. Oh, B10 to 99, 990. Then it's 3 digits. Oh, hold on. When B goes from 100 to 999, then every number would be a 4 digit. Fair enough, makes sense. 2 digit numbers. So every block length equals to what? I mean, at least I'm not clueless. 500 people solved. The fourth one looks much more fun to solve, bro. 0 to 9. Why can't we just use DP in the fourth question? At every point, you have two options. Just go up or down. Like, come on. like my brain is so excited right now. I can't focus on a single question. In the fourth one, at every position, we have just two options: go up or down. Just DP it, check for every positions, because at max there are 1500 floors. There are 1500 decisions to make. That's 2 raised to 1500. Wait, what? That's 2 raised to 1500. What the fuck am I doing? Nah, I don't think so. It's DP, bro. Is it greedy? Is it DP? Okay, let me focus on the this question right now. Every block length equals to num length star 9 numbers, right? Zero, positive integers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it starts from 9, then 10, 10, 10. Equals to 9 star uh, num length star 9. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out the. So 9 plus 2 digit 20 plus. So it's going to be 9. 1 to 9 पे भाई. B 0 पे 1 digit numbers. Block length equals to num length star 9. Block length equals to num length star 10. Okay. In here it's going to be block length equals to num length star 10. Yes. Not 10. Because once you know what block it is in, how many people solved this? 2k? 2k people? What? 2k people already solved it? Third is digit DP? Probably, bro. What's wrong here? Someone help. This is my make. Bro, we can't help while the contest is live. First was easy, I really. One was easy. I really don't understand what to exactly do or find the most optimal operation. In second. Oh, in second, bro. Avinash, bro, the only hint I can give you is it's brute force. It's brute force, bro. Second is just brute force. That's all. That's all I can give you. That's all I can give you. It's just brute force. You need to know a very small nuance about string rotation. That will help you reduce to only one operation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's block length, num length, star 9, bro. So 99 minus 10. 9 minus 89. What the hell is this? Block length equals to num length star 900, I guess. Okay, let's say we now know what block does your stupid ass kth digit lies in. Okay, what block your stupid ass kth digit lies in? What next? How do you what like 10 raised to kth digit in an infinite string? If you know what block your kth digit lies in, let's say we do know that, we just have to figure out a formula. After that, what do you want to know? What number your kth digit lies in, and after that you just create the number. And num length is actually num length. Num length would be 9 star 1, 9 raised to b length minus 1. So number of numbers equals to 9 raised to b length minus 1. 9 raised to b length minus 1. This 9 raised to b length minus 1. So for 0, इससे पता चल जाएगा 2 लेंथ है. नो 9 into 10, 9 into 100, 9 into, okay. Bro, this shit is so fucking confusing. How did 2000 people solve it? Guys, 1582 rated, solved 2. How many penalties did you get? How many penalties did you get? Bro, I'm getting this message and want to know if I'm permanently banned from the contest only, as I also have been banned from Leetcode for a month. What? Bro, are you cheating? Why are you getting banned? In second, I got 2 penalty. Bro, we did it in the first attempt. Is that doable? Is it? I guess it's digit DP. I don't know. As far as I like right now, I don't see where digit DP is being. It doesn't. I don't think so. Maybe it's not digit DP. Every digit DP question is categorized as hard. I don't know if it's actually digit DP. I think it's just maths. I think this third question is just maths. I think the third question is just maths. Into num length equal into nums. ठीक है. Each block, so block length equals to num length into nums. How many nums do there even exist? Okay, do there even exists? So and num length equals to, how do we figure out what would be the length of number? What if we have 10? The answer is going to be either 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wait, I didn't even. I think, yeah, absolutely. We need to figure out what block your kth digit lies in. Once you know that, yes, you need to figure out what block your kth digit lies in. That is the entire question. It is maths. It is completely maths based question. Num length. So there is a hierarchy. What, this question is so fucking confusing. How did 2K people did it, bro? Third NDP, it's advanced maths. I know, bro. I know. It's stupid maths. I know for sure. Yep. It is maths. It is maths, bro. Number theory for third. Yeah, I get. I can see that. It's just maths. It's for those all J rankers, bro. It's J rankers. It's number theory. It's maths. I think I should focus on it, bro. If it's maths, I can't solve it, but yeah. So hierarchy is numbers से बना blocks से बना groups से बना groups, ठीक है ना? Numbers से बना blocks से बना group. ओके okay? अब आपको नंबर की लेंथ पता होनी चाहिए, ब्लॉक की लेंथ पता होनी चाहिए, ग्रुप्स की लेंथ पता होनी चाहिए. Fair enough. So num length would be equals to, and b is the only thing that you're given. b is given. b is given. ठीक है, given b. Now 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 if you're given b, what's my rank? 5k 4444, bro. The cheaters piss me the fuck out every contest. What's my rating, bro? What's my current rating? 17. It's exactly 1800, bro. My current rating is exactly 1800. Exactly 1800. Wait, where's my code? Here it is. So given equals to b. First number equals to a block is 9 numbers together. A group is blocks of the same length. ठीक है, लिख देता हूँ. Block equals to 9 nums of same length, and group equals to blocks of same length. How many? That is something that is variable. That is something that is variable. When your b is 0, तब आपका एक ही ब्लॉक होगा, एक ही ग्रुप होगा. When b is 1, अच्छा, so between every power of 2, between every power of 10, every block is of the same length. What I'm trying to say is, between every power of 10, every block is of same length. What I'm saying is, every block is of same length. Block when b equals to 0, block length equals to 1. Block when b equals to 1 to 9, you can say block length equals to 2. Block when b equals to 10 to 99, block length equals to 100 and 100 is equals to 3. Fair enough, fair enough. Give me 1 second. Okay, I think now we know how many groups exist. Fair enough. Block length equals to 3. Number of blocks equals to 90. Here, number of blocks equals to 9. Here, number of blocks equals to 1. Block when b equals to 100 to 999, block length equals to 4, and number of blocks equals to 900. Okay, it's starting to make a little bit of sense. It's in the powers of 10. Do I need the group logic? Do I need the group logic? I think that's just adding complexity, but yeah, not bad though. How to improve to a level where third becomes solvable, bro? Do code forces. How did you become good in Leetcode? Like I face demotivation when I give contests. That's what you need to overcome, bro. You don't even need to become good. You just have to stop getting demotivated after seeing a rating loss. That's all. That's what you mean LARPing? When did I LARP, bro? Pranav, bro? What's good? What's good? So block. Okay. K digit in it. I don't think so. We need the logic of groups. Group 1 goes from B equals to. Okay, rather than say it GROUP. Yeah, group when B equals to 100 to 99, block length equals to 4, number of blocks equals to 900. So digits covered, digit covered equals to block length into blocks into number of blocks, sorry, number of blocks into कितने blocks थे और star 9 star num length. Yes, this is the digits covered formula, bro. Digits covered. So in here, digits covered equals to by a group. How many people solve this? 3.4k. Are we serious, bro? 3.4k. The cheating is insane. First easy or first is easy. I've already given up after solving two, bro. I mean, it is. Second is greedy or DP. I mean, second is how would you? It's not DP. It's not DP. Second is not DP. Bot lover is ultimate lab god. Yeah, 3.4k is too much. It is insane level of cheating, bro. 3.2k people solved. 3.4k people solved the third question. Insane level of cheating. So you have digits covered. Okay, you'll go by the hierarchy. या you'll go by the hierarchy. आप देखोगे कितने ग्रुप्स इससे पहले हो चुके हैं, उसके बाद कितने ब्लॉक्स हो चुके हैं, कितने नंबर्स हो चुके हैं. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Blocks when B 10 raised to 0 is 1. 10 raised to 1 is 10. Blocks when B, you can also write this B less than 10 raised to 0. Okay, in here you can also write this as B less than 10 raised to 1. Okay, it's just about generalizing this, bro. Right, now in here you can write it as B less than 10 raised to 2, B less than 10 raised to 3, B less than 10 raised to 3. So there are block length would be, yes, find the power of 10 that's smaller than, what the fuck, bro. Oh, this shit is, yeah, I'll die, bro. I'll actually die rather than solving this question. The way was damn tough for enthusiasts. For the interviews were much better, I heard, but I expect anything from segment trees to 3DP. No, OAs are always tougher, bro. Reverse the string for ask for 28. What? Are we serious? Use log 10k to do that. I predict around 500 people legitly solve C. Me too, bro. The third question, people are cheating like crazy. That it fucking pisses me off. Pisses me off at how easily people are cheating, bro. How easily people are cheating. Should we focus on fourth then? 3.4k. And the fact that just because it's pure math, ChatGPT can solve it so easily. Because it's pure math, bro. Look at the. Oh my god, bro. So you're telling me not just 3.4k people solved it, users accepted with a 30% acceptance rate. Holy cheating, bro. Holy cheating. God level cheating, bro. So between every power of 10, somehow you need to convert digits into, yes, somehow you need to convert digits into blocks. Okay, that is the relation you need to find between the digit, not the digit, I mean the position and the block. क्योंकि आपको position पे बताना है ना. Yes, yes, आपको, yes, that's the conversion you need to find between a position, कि how many positions were covered, and a block. That, oh my god, bro, this question. 3.5k. By the end of this contest, 7,000 people would have solved it. Should we just, honestly, that's why we probably need to quit doing late code. What's my rank? What's my rank, bro? 5409. Yeah. Yup. Yup. Pragya. Okay, let's see. Look at her profile. Tech enthusiast. Are we serious that she's solving this all herself, bro? How many minutes she solved the contest in? Pragya solved in 4 minutes 46 seconds. What an absolute bullshit. groups in B equals to, okay, let me focus on this. So digit count would be, block length would be 1. Would be equals to 9 star lower power of 10. That would be your number of blocks. Number of blocks would be, acha, 9 star 9 raised to lower power of 10. ठीक है, 9 raised to 0 is 1, 9 raised to 1 is 1. ठीक है, स्टार कितने आपके वो थे, 9 नंबर्स होंगे, इतने ब्लॉक्स होंगे, और एक नंबर की लेंथ कितनी होगी, नंबर की लेंथ वुड बी 1, would be LP of 10 plus 1. So is this the formula? LP of 10 plus 1. Wait, so this is the formula that I think should tell us block 9 star num length that's not block length, that's num length, you dumbass. Num blocks so block length equals to 9 star num length, right? So digits covered is num blocks into block length, and so DC equals to num blocks star 9, you can just say 9 or ठीक है 9 और digits covered by a group. A group is blocks of same length. Num blocks x block length. Yes, fair enough. ओके 9 आपके होंगे, हर एक नंबर की लेंथ होगी लोअर पावर ऑफ 10 प्लस 1, दैट इज करेक्ट, लोअर पावर ऑफ 10. Yes, that is correct, lower power of 10 plus 1. लोअर पावर ऑफ 10 प्लस 1, इतने आपकी नम लेंथ होगी और इतने आपके ब्लॉक्स होंगे, दैट इज करेक्ट. इससे आपको ग्रुप कितने डिजिट्स कवर कर रहा है पता चल गया. अब आपको चलो ये पता चल गया. वेट, आई थिंक वी आर रीचिंग समवेयर ब्रो, बट ओके लेट्स सी कि पहले 10 ग्रुप्स कितने डिजिट्स कवर कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज at max we reach till 10 raised to 15 digits, right? So let me just return -1. How many people solve fourth, bro? 2k. I won't be surprised if 2. Absolute fucking joke, bro. Leetcode in 2026 is a more. Why fourth कर? That is normal DP लग रहा है. Exactly, bro. Fourth looks like at every position you can just go up or down. But there has to be much more to it, right? considered binary search. I don't even see the logic of binary search. But why is he in sleeves? Yo, Pudish 9 AM games was good, bro. How have you been? How have you been? Masumali. Using GPT to understand the question and solving step by step during consider. Absolute yo, yo, Masumali, bro. If you're using GPT, you're cheating. Like, come on. If you're understanding the question, that itself is a part, right? Just don't do it. I mean, okay, bro. What can I even do? No, not a normal DPU will be in up down loop. Yeah. How to exit the contest? What do you mean exit the contest, bro? Umesh, what do you mean exit the contest? What do you mean? I'm good, broski. Stuck in my football schedule. Okay, okay. Search digit query CSES. I'm not doing CSES right now. Old virtual contest. Those old days with only 100 accepted users in fourth question, bro. Life has changed so much. People are cheating like absolute crazy. Yeah. The third looked easy but it was so fucking hard. बहुत मुश्किल से हुआ है. Fourth page भर गए लिखते लिखते. 4 पेज भर गए. Kavish did the third question. Kavish, this guy just never stops fucking amazing me, bro. Kavish is an absolute child, bro. Kavish is an absolute child. But I still don't see where is the logic of using binary search in third, bro. Like, I don't know. I don't understand the logic of using binary search. Lower power, lower power of 10. It all depends on lower power of 10. Like अगर उसने 10 रेस टू 15 दे दिया तो उसकी लोअर पावर ऑफ 10 होगी 10 रेस टू 14. 10 रेस टू 14 में उसने कितने डिजिट्स कवर करे होंगे? That's the position, bhai. That is not fucking. Yes. B और पोजीशन को कंफ्यूज मत करो भाई. Hashtag define ll long ll answer equals to 0. Let's see the. Okay. Current I equals to 0. I less than 5. I plus plus denotes LPO10. Add would be equals to 9 star 1 LL star 9 star 9 raised to LP of 10 power of 9 comma I star I plus 1. So if we look at this, power 32,000 digits. No, 3 lakh digits. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and thousand, 100,000. 3 lakhs digits have been covered by 4 groups. If we go 10 groups, it's going to be an absolute. We might get an into. It's still not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So at max, we can have, I guess, 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So I guess 14 groups then. 14 groups because our position goes up till 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay. So between 13 to 14 groups. You can have at max 13 to 14 groups. Hmm. इतने इसकी पोजीशंस बती है. Hold on bro, like 5k people have done it. ठीक है, अगर मैं ये कर लेता हूँ, मैं हर ग्रुप की लेंथ माइनस कर दूंगा. अब मेरे ग्रुप्स खत्म हो गए. अब मुझे पता है कि अब मैं ब्लॉक्स की लेंथ माइनस करूंगा. ठीक है, ब्लॉक्स की लेंथ माइनस करी. अब मैं डिजिट की लेंथ माइनस करूंगा. ठीक है, वेट. सो वेट, आई थिंक आई फाउंड सबसे पहले ग्रुप्स की लेंथ माइनस करो, फिर ब्लॉक्स की लेंथ माइनस करो, फिर डिजिट की लेंथ माइनस करो, फिर जस्ट चेक मैनुअली. नाउ यू जस्ट नीड टू डिफाइन द लेंथ. ब्लॉक लेंथ equal, not block length, group length equals to 9 star 9 raised to block length would be 9 into num length, and num length would basically be LP of 10 plus 1. Nine star 9 raised to LP of 10 9 वो होंगे 9 नंबर्स होंगे, हर एक नंबर की लेंथ होगी LP of 10 plus 1, एंड कितने कितने ब्लॉक्स होंगे ऐसे, इतने ब्लॉक्स होंगे 9 raised to LP of 10. 9 raised to LP of 10. Yo, I think there is some logic here, bro. There might actually be some logic here. I literally went from first to fourth question directly, spent 30 minutes in that shit. Now did second one, and I'm watching your stream and losing hope in humanity. Now my rank is 14k. Why did you go to the fourth question, bro? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? What? How can one be so bad? Guess that's me. Guess that's me, bro. No, binary search karo. Bro, binary search. I still don't know. Binary search, like where does it even come in binary search? How about live stream recording or camera recording, like a way? What bro? Leetcode should just start doing contests or like a hack rank made for lead and apply. Leetcode is dead, bro. These people are fucking stupid. Star, ठीक है, LP of 10 plus 1. अगर उस पर ही खत्म हो गया तो फिर बाइनरी सर्च कहाँ होगी इसमें यार? लाइक this doesn't make sense, bro. These people are 9 star num length. 9 नंबर होंगे, हर एक नंबर की लेंथ इतनी होगी. ठीक है, ये एक ब्लॉक हो गया. और ऐसे कितने ब्लॉक्स होंगे? 9 रेज टू LP ऑफ 10. ठीक है, LL. Let me try writing the code now, bro. LL LP of 10 equals to 0 ले लेते हैं पहले 0. K is the position, right? LL pos equals to K. Okay, okay, okay. Now what's next, bro? Next is basically I less than 15, I plus plus, LL2 minus equals to आपके क्या लेंथ होगी, ग्रुप लेंथ होगी 9 star I is LP of 10, I plus 1 star star power of 9 to LP of 10, right? Yes, I, right. If 2 minus is less than equals to position, then position minus equals to 2 minus, else break. Because if you like, bro, what? This shit is stupid. This shit is. I can't even solve second one. Yeah, Chasu problem solved always, bro. Second one is kind of. You need to know one single trick, bro. Why you weird cap, bro? Because I'm bored. Fourth done with two wrong acceptance. So fourth, bro, अगर तू मेरी सुनता तो आते से थर्ड हो जाता है. It's legit digit queries problem CSES. कई बार ये प्रॉब्लम सजेस्ट किया है आपको. Bro, what is it on CSES? Geeky and Shu, bro. Like, you're right, bro. It's not deep. You just have to keep narrowing down which block K is at. Think of division and remainders exactly. Why you bald then, bro? What the fuck? So, I mean, I'm not entirely bald. Just think of S for S. Yo, Jason, bro. Chill out, bro. Chill out. Chill out. That's the only thing you need to know about second question. Okay, position minus equals to 2 minus. The second is just about narrowing down which block it is. It is in. Bro, I feel like I might have. Fourth looks like a better question than 1.6k. Fourth looks like a better question than stupid second question. ठीक है, अगर अब ये आ गया, अगर आपकी पोजीशन 0 है तो मतलब फिर मैं देर के आती हूँ, देश पर लगी डाटी हूँ. अगर आपकी वो 0 है, you know what, equal to वाला केस लो ही मत, लेस देन ले लो, लेस देन ले लो. इससे आपको ग्रुप्स, जितने भी ग्रुप्स होंगे ना, हाँ, वो माइनस कर दोगे. ठीक है, और फिर आप ले लो LP of 10 equals to I. ठीक है, अपने वो माइनस कर दिया। के आ जाए दूर के आती I+1 मे बी I+1 is LP of 10 would be I+1 then. मेरे को आप LP of 10 बताओ पहले तो। LP of 10 क्या आ रहा है? STD out 0 आ रहा है। K equals to 4। ओ अच्छा, पहले ग्रुप का नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स इक्वल्स टू 9 raised to 0 वुड बी 1। ठीक है, ये 1 होगा। कितने नंबर होंगे? 9 नंबर थोड़ी होंगे पहले ब्लॉक के लिए। फॉर दिस सेकंड वर्ड। अच्छा, पहले उसके लिए 9 नंबर थोड़ी होंगे। ऐसे ले लो आप। if I equals to 0 2 minus equals to 1 ही होगा। तो LP of 10 1 आ गया। यहाँ पे 15 पे फेयर इनफ 1 से 9 के बीच में। Wait, B equals to 0 is not even a case. B equals to 0 पे what the, oh my god bro, this is so confusing, I can't do. It's done bro, I know. Fourth is just first with some changes. No shit bro, it's literally the second part of that question. I plus clock. Purish is becoming knight again. No bro, I'm not gaining rating today. What do you mean? सेकंड में सारी रोटेशंस करके एक एरे में डाल दो, स्ट्रिंग में फिर उसमें चेक कर लो पेयर्स का स्टार्ट एंड एंड का पेयर एंड की। You don't even need to do all rotations bro, you don't even need to do all rotations. I plus cos percentage 26, think in this way bro. I'm done with the second question. What do you mean? What do you mean? Second is a good question. The fact that 6k people solved third, 6k people. That's why I don't care about Leetcode rating anymore. 17,000 people solved second. All cheaters, bro. Second is, yo, let me be honest, bro. If you were not able to solve second, I wouldn't categorize, I would say it's a medium. It's not even an easy medium, bro. It is a good question. You need to know some tricks for second question. It's not a question worth being able to solve by 17,000 people. They're all absolute cheaters. Forget even about the third question. Even second question is not straight up easy, bro, like it used to be. So, if you couldn't solve it, don't feel bad, bro. It's not easy, the second question. You need to know one trick for second question. B equals to 0. तब आपकी नाम लेंथ होगी 1। ठीक है, ठीक है। ये मैंने क्या ऐड करा है? ये उस वाले ग्रुप में आएगा। करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट। 4 उस वाले ग्रुप में आएगा, B equals to 0 वाले में। ठीक है, B equals to 0 वाले ग्रुप में आएगा। 15 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 के बाद 19 आ रहा है, तो ये 19 वाले ग्रुप में आएगा। सो ओके, सो ये 1 to 9 वाले ग्रुप में आएगा। ठीक है, ठीक है। अब नाउ इंट ब्लॉक लेंथ, not int ll. I can't solve it bro. This is, I can block length would be equals to length of number 9 stars, length of number is LP of 10 plus 1. Blocks done equals to 0 while block length is greater than position minus equals to block length. वन आना चाहिए. LP of 10, LP of 10, LP of 10. Time to stop giving biweekly. These cheaters won't wake up at 8 a.m. Exactly, bro. 17,000 people for second question. It is an insane amount of cheating. Thanks for giving some hopes. I'm dumb. I did first in like 3-4 minutes. Amit Patil, bro. The second is not an easy question. Time limit exceeded. Oh, okay. While is less than. Fair enough. तो ये कह रहा है कि LP of 10 0 आ रहा है एंड ब्लॉक लेंथ नहीं, ब्लॉक्स डन बताओ. ब्लॉक लेंथ भी है, ठीक है. 18. फेयर इनफ. सी आउट ब्लॉक्स डन 0 आने चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट ग्रुप में है और 0th ब्लॉक में है. दैट इज करेक्ट ब्रो. आई एम गेटिंग समवेयर बट आई जस्ट डोंट हैव टाइम. 9 फिर 19. सो फर्स्ट ग्रुप ये हो गया. ये फर्स्ट ग्रुप, तो ये फर्स्ट ग्रुप में है एंड फर्स्ट ब्लॉक में ही है एंड 0th ब्लॉक में है एंड उसके बाद my god bro, yeah, this question is a brain rot. That's why I don't do Leetcode. When I start Leetcode 1 to 13k, 2 to 7k, what? Let's just go back to code forces. Yeah, can't believe 5.7k rank after solving 3 questions. That is insane amount of cheating, bro. Bro can stream but not reply to me. Manan bro, I'll call you today, bro. What do you mean? Question 3 is a useless question. It is just maths. Thanks for the reply, but what do we do after that? Yeah, the only trick, okay, let me tell you what Jason told and what is basically everything you should always be knowing. Whenever there's rotation involved, the thing that you should be aware of, eliminate rotation concept from your question and just treat your string as S plus S. If you're given ABC, treat it as ABC, ABC. It covers all rotations, bro. That is basically how you solve the second question. That was the trick you should be knowing. So now there's only one operation left. Do interview have these kind of questions? If yes, I'm cooked. Nah, bro, these are way too tough for interviews. I can just make 0 to 15 hash map each store. What? Who agrees Udesh is intelligent and have great debugging skills? He solved second, bro. Bro, you don't have to glaze. It wasn't anything crazy. Make gym ki video banao, protein pills and vitamins. Bro, I don't even have any muscles. When I was going to the gym consistently, I was so jacked, bro. Look at it now. I'm skinny as hell. Explain question to after contest. Sure, bro. I can. It's just this. I'm pissed off. The third question did not deserve 6.3k people to be able to solve them. It is just maths. Maybe I could have done better if I had a pen and paper. If I could have done better. अब इसके बाद C out num length. LL num length would be equals to num length क्या है? LP of 10 plus 1. So now you can say while position is greater than num length int num done equals to not int, let's call it ll. Position minus equals to num length and num done plus plus. See out num's done. Absolute insane amount of cheat fest, bro. While position, what? See out num done. Come on, bro. I think yeah, I'm kind of the right track. तो इसने कहा ये 0th ग्रुप में है, ठीक है, LP of 10 0 है, fair enough. फिर इसने कहा कि ब्लॉक्स डन, कितने ब्लॉक हो गए, 0 ब्लॉक, ये फर्स्ट ब्लॉक में ही है. फिर इसने कहा थर्ड नंबर इसमें आप माइनस कर सकते हो, सो इट वुड लाई इन द फोर्थ नंबर. फोर्थ नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप. अब आप ब्लॉक नंबर कैसे निकालोगे? Fuck me, bro. He was never jacked from a Mark Henry to become Thierry Henry. Shut the hell up. बहुत cheating हो रही है यार. Yeah, you used to have, I saw you were jacked, a different man altogether. DSA does change people. Yo, come on. It's not because of DSA. It's because ever since like started my job, I don't go to the gym. I haven't been in gym since 7 months. Not 7, 8 months. I haven't been in gym since 8 months. Even you know this. What? First was easy, बाकी ने तो धुआं उड़ा दिया. My first contest, by the way, Prince, bro. This was a tough contest, honestly. Please fourth देखो. I wasted all the time. I feel like rather than wasting time on third, I should have done fourth, bro. At least it looks intuitive. 2.1k. Yeah, I'm okay, bro. We removed the blur. The contest is over. Third question is just eliminating all the blocks you can. Eliminating blocks again and again. Bro, need something to chew? What do you mean? What's up with sleeveless and shit? Bro, I'm trying to attract us. भाई एक बार CSES open कर ले, check digit queries problem. CSES digit queries. Is this the same question, bro? Your task is to process Q queries of form. What is the... So Leetcode is just copying problems for CSES from CSES. And this is introductory problem. 10 raised to 18. So it's worse than Leetcode. It's tougher than Leetcode. And it is an introductory problem. Bro, do you want me to kill myself? Like, this is introductory? What? Go for form, they have gym in office. Yeah, I don't even know. Third was seeming easy, very mathematical, did 1, 2 and 4. Third is just... Yo, hold on. Between third and fourth, was fourth doable? How do we do fourth? Somebody tell me. Now don't leak this secret. Yeah, they are just cheating, bro. They are just cheating from CSES. Hey, your favorite seamer before you ask result nahi aaya. I knew it because if the result would have come out, you would have told me, bro. Divjot, how was your interview according to you? Didn't even attempt fourth. Everybody is cheating. There was no use, bro. Just if you're giving Leetcode contest, forget about rating. Insane amount of cheating. At least I could build some intuition for fourth. Yeah, fourth looked like you can do something in it. But yeah. Question 3 is always CSES. Pudish, I've done 150 problems of CSES. That's why I'm fast. Look at this guy flexing, bro. Look at this guy flexing. Bro. Geeky Anshu honestly deserves to flex. He has improved so fucking much. It's insane. Okay, for those people who were asking about how to solve the second question, the only thing you should be aware of is you at every position you have two operations, either rotate or increment, right? The thing is you can remove the rotation operation altogether because rotation, every possible rotation can be covered if you just double the string. If it is ABC, double the string, it becomes ABC, ABC. That consists of every possible rotation. See, herein I even wrote it. So now, in your double of string, so given a string of length 2k, find a substring that takes minimum operations to make it a palindrome. That's what the question becomes. So you go from 0 and minus 1, 1 and 2 and plus 1, 3 and plus 2, kind of like that. Check how many operations does it need. This function just checks how many operations are needed to convert, to use the increment operation and convert your current string into a palindrome. Once you do that, you also need to add the rotation required. Now rotation required is basically your current index. Yeah, I'm not the best at explanation, but I hope you understand. This was basically the second question, but it wasn't. The only nuance you needed to know is rotation can be eliminated by just considering the second, by just doubling the string. You just open Entrant Hub and check your rating. We don't care, like, bro, at this point, Leetcode rating is meaningless. Shout out to Deepak Dagur, bro. What have you done? Just lost hairs and got ED2? What have you done? Just lost hairs and got ED2? Who the fuck got ED? Like, bro, when did I say I got ED? He's telling me I got ED. I did. I did not. Bro really thinks the Huzz are tuning into his stream on a Saturday evening? Yo, if any Huzz is watching this, bro, look at how jacked I am. Look at how jacked I am. Code was also not easy. Took me almost an hour, and handling edge cases is sensitive. Okay, I guess. At least read fourth. I did read the fourth question. Udist on entrant hub is gaining +8. Liar. Absolute fucking liar, bro. Absolute liar. These people have no shame. They play with your emotions. Udist gaining +8. Shut your ass up, bro. Whereas it's biweekly 189. It's this one, right? Oh, hold on. It's Independence Day today. What the hell? I completely forgot, bro. Happy Independence Day to everybody, bro. I completely forgot. My bad. Sorry. Let's see. Udist G. +1. Damn, bro. +1. Not bad. Not bad. +1. What? It's showing my rank here as 6652 and +1 for a 6k rank. But my actual rank is 8k. So we again are getting a negative rating, I guess. A -7. Bro. Whosoever that liar was, you asshole, I am losing rating. Bro thinks he's on steroid, but he's barely on diet. Chill out, bro. Like, I don't need steroids. I don't need steroids, bro. I have a lean physique. Bro, the Pragya Purva girl whose profile you visit has used AI, #cheating. Of course, bro. She is cheating. Of course. Feeling proud Indian Army? Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Leetcode profile review? Yeah. Yo, Swastik, bro, how was your contest? Swastik, brother, how was your contest? What DSA does to MF? What? Okay. Another thing I need to tell you guys. You see this? You seeing this? Let me show you my profile. You seeing this, bro? See this date, bro. August of 13th, 2026. August of 13th, 2026. Let's check my track my life entry for this day. Track my life, not live. Let's see my entry. What did I do that I did not solve a question on August of 13th? August of, what day is it? August 26th? No, 11th August. 13th August. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So the reason I quit, intentionally broke my Leetcode streak. When I was sleeping, I know that my Leetcode streak is broken. It's because of this, bro. It's because of this. I plan to focus on it. Yeah, this. It's because of this. I am now shifting my grind, bro. I'll be soon making a video about it, but I am now shifting my grind from DSA. I've done enough DSA and I'm tired of it. I will be like after office. This is all about my after office grind, bro. My after office grind. After my office, bro, I now plan to focus more on open source. I'll be making a video about this. That is so gay. Forearm workout on repeat. Yeah, these guys. Track my life keeps crashing, bro. When I change date, when you change date, it doesn't store your text, right? What do you mean by crashing, bro? How to improve intuition? Second and third question. Fourth is out of my reach. Just solve more question. No live from now on. I would be coming live. I would be coming live, but I need to focus on open source, bro. I'll be starting a grind series where I'll be uploading my daily progress of open source. It'll be like a format wherein the first week I'll be studying about the project. The second week I'll be attending their Slack and attending their like weekly conferences. And the third week I'll get familiar with their code base, and then finally get start like try to contribute, bro. It's gonna be a long journey. You will be missing code DSA community, bro. I guess I guess nah. I need to retire from DSA. DSA. I've done enough DSA, and it's at this point, yeah. You know what is the cheating scene. I would still be attending contests, bro. Take trend, bro. You already losing here, and I have really nothing to lose now. See, assholes like these in the chat, they always they always like piss the hell out of me. Let's go. I will contribute through README. Wow, wow. Good takeaway from today. We need to do CSES. What month did you get into Ion? When was the interview? I had two sets of interview. One was in July 2025 and the other was in November. November. अंश भादियों को TCS प्राइम मिलने की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. What? What about our dream project Goon Counter, Pudish? I have already added it. What do you mean? What do you mean? Let me show you a profile. Let me show you a profile, bro. Goon Counter. Let me show you. Where is Ashish's profile, bro? Let me show you this guy's profile. See, by GC, Ashish means Goon Counter. And he's lying, bro. He's gooning every day, yet he's just showing zero. This guy is lying. But I have added support for custom metrics, bro. Just add a goon counter if you want to. You can add a goon counter. Would at least do introductory and searching sorting. Geeky Anshu, I'll be honest, bro. At this point, I'll be focusing more on open source, bro. I'm done with DSA. Like the stream or gay. Yo, nice. Code with swastik. That is a yeah. See what I agree with what he's saying. Like the stream, or you're not a straight human. Why don't you add goon counter? Because I don't goon. I don't goon, bro. I don't goon. What's a tech stack used by you in your job, bro? It's DevOps. It's DevOps. So it's everything related to Kubernetes, Terraform. And you're like, and that's why the repository I plan to contribute to. See, I have figured out a very good repository, bro. I find it very interesting. It's related to Kubernetes. It's like a global service load balancer in Kubernetes, and I find it really interesting, bro. I'm making. See, let me show you my Obsidian nodes. Let me show you my Oh, not OBS. Yeah. Hold on. See, I'm making notes about it too, bro. I've already started learning about it. I'll post a video about it soon. That I'm now starting my open source grind. But where it is. Yeah. See, I've already started making notes about it. I want to go from absolute scratch about that project, learn about it in the best possible way. I'm reading the documentation. Yeah, see, we have the entire. This is how the request flows. Okay, I'm not going to go into the depth. Single cluster, multiple cluster. This is what I do at night, bro. This is what I do at night after coming from office. This is what my life has become. Have you used Azure and AWS? That is literally my entire life, bro. Azure and AWS is my entire life. I track my life crashes when we change date. Is this guy for real? Is this guy for real? Track my life crashes when we change date. Okay, let me see if it happens for me. See, I have this date. I'm writing something in here, and now if I change date, let me go to 14th. Let me go to 14th. It did not. What do you mean it crashes? What do you mean? I can now type another thing again here. What do you mean it crashes? 104 watching, proud of you, son. Yo, thanks, brother. Kafka Bull MQ. No, not directly. Chalo, sir. Bye. Keep grinding. Take care. Thank you, brother. Code with swastik, bro. Did you not attempt contest? Change date manually by typing. Change date manually by typing? What does that mean? Bro, I end up in every contest. What should I do? Change date manually? What the hell does he mean? Is there even an option to change date manually? Not by calendar? What? What do you mean, bro? I don't see Ansh. Okay, it's Ansh, right? बताया तो अभी I was in book fair. Oh, GG's, bro. GG's. GG's, bro. Bro, I end up cheating in every contest. Oh, this guy is cheating in every contest. Congratulations. Congratulations. You should be ashamed, bro. I want to ask when you started attempting contests, like, how did you manage to solve question? How many questions could you solve? Okay. Pac-Man Sis. Go to youtube.com/@Kudish/streams. Okay. You go in here. You go in here. And then you go to the oldest. And then if you go in here, you will see where, what the hell? Kudish first contest. See, this is literally my first ever Leetcode contest. I did it on stream, bro. You can go check it out. You can go check it out, bro. This is literally my first contest. What you're asking, you will be able to see it in here. Yeah. Great efforts, man. Keep up the grind. Thanks, bro. Thanks. And okay, people are also here. So for that open source grind that I'll be starting soon, Kudish, bro, @Kudish, I can't type. Shorts for that open source grind that I'll be starting soon, bro. You guys can already see that I'm uploading these daily logs, bro, on YouTube. See, I'm uploading it daily on YouTube too, bro. Yeah, so I'll be staying accountable. That's the whole point, bro. You can literally change date by typing date, but when I do that, it crashes. I didn't even know that existed, bro. I didn't even know we could do that. But why do you want to do that? Okay, I'll talk to Claude. Can you open source your hairline? This asshole Pradeep would just not fucking. It's not even bad. I'm applying. Shit, it's bad. See, it's not even bad, bro. See, what? It is actually bad, bro. Why did I remove my cap? Yeah, man, I'm watching you shorts and following you. Yo, Shantanu, thank you, bro. Okay, still like want to hear from you. You can watch then my video about my DSA journey. But at this point, I'm almost at my retirement. I need to stop doing DSA. I need to stop doing DSA. Yeah, I know. I'll focus more on open source, bro. Life is all about shifting from one grind to another. It's not like I can do DSA for all my life. I know enough DSA that I can prepare for a job switch if I ever plan to. Right now, I need to get into open source, bro. What I need to focus on is improving this. Is improving this bullshit profile on GitHub that I have. This. See, despite me being in a job, I'm still like kind of there is some activity in my GitHub, but I need to improve this, bro. That's what I plan to do, bro. GitHub arc, development arc, bro. Feels like a big web series is ending. Why? Cheaters took both your ratings and hair. Bro, I literally apply Finsteride. You need to chill out. First open source contribution of hairline. Bro, what is this track my life that did you make? That's basically where I the name suggests itself. It tracks my life. I track my life on trackmylife.live. Every day, okay, I need to add entries for yesterday and today. For yesterday, I missed adding an entry yesterday. But you see, every day I rate my day on a scale of 1 to 10. And I basically write a very short log. You can see this is a very red day. So basically means it was a 1 out of 10. I slept at 2:16. I used Instagram for 2:44, and this is my daily log. See, so I'm doing this just so that I stay accountable and I track my life. You can see the trends. See, very interesting thing to note is as soon as weekend comes, you can see how my sleep time spikes up, bro. On weekends, I sleep at like 3 4 a.m. 3 4 a.m. This is why you need to track your life so you can figure out these patterns from data, bro. When I'm on work from home, I am probably spending much time on Instagram. That's why you need to track your life, bro. Yeah. Talk about that repo, bro. I can relate with it. Please. Which repo? Which repo do you want me to talk about? What to do in third sem? I'm doing DSA from second sem. I would say focus with DSA, bro. Get into open source. With DSA, get into open source. There are things like LFX, Hacktoberfest, GSOC. Wait, Hacktoberfest is coming, bro. Till Hacktoberfest, I need to get in at a good level so that I can contribute much into in Hacktoberfest. Reverse mock battle 3, you won't lose. Okay, we can mock. What should I do if I end up cheating? Mini talk moments. What do you mean end up cheating? It's not like GPT is asking you to cheat. You're asking GPT. Just don't cheat, bro. Don't cheat. Like what? We know what you are doing till 3 4 a.m. Do you, bro? Pradeep is yo this what? Okay, okay. This guy is an absolute gooner, by the way. Who's saying what I do at 3 4 a.m. I'm grinding, and this guy is also grinding, but his ding dong. But his ding dong, bro. We both grind, but I grind open source and he grinds his ding dong. I solved 400 questions, but still no progress because you're cheating. Because you're cheating. Because you're cheating. Did this just confess he cheated? Yeah, bro. Mini talk movements is cheating. I don't know anything in development. Get into open source. When you ding dong gang, what do you do till 3 4 a.m.? Bro, I mean, yeah, we. I study. I study. Yeah. Bro, how you add goon count? I can't see that feature. To add goon count, what you do need to do is custom metrics. I have my custom metrics as running and GC. GC stands for what does GC stands for? GC stands for good cake. Did I eat a good cake that day or not? If I eat a good cake, then I say yes or no. Right? So you can add your custom metrics from here. I am tracking my running. How much kilometers did I run today? I run only on weekends. And GC means good cake. Did I eat good cake or no? That's it, bro. I ran 5 kilometers on 9th of August. Good global load balancing report. Talk about it. Okay, it's regarding. Okay, if you want me to talk about that repo, basically it is a global search load balancer. You better be eating good cake. Chill, chill, chill. Grind while it lasts. I don't think it's gonna last long with the amount of Finsteride you are using. Okay, global search load balancer in Kubernetes. Basically, you have multiple cluster Kubernetes cluster. Let's say one is running in Ireland, other one is running into Singapore. When you type the top level domain, how do you decide which which Kubernetes cluster, which EKS cluster or AKS cluster do you want to route your request to? That is handled by GK8. It's K8GB. The product name is K8GB. It's a and it's built completely native in Kubernetes. It uses health checks, basically the liveness checks and readiness checks that are already present in Kubernetes to judge whether a service, whether a request should be routed to a cluster or not. I'm still learning about it, but yeah. Where are you buying from cake? Your cakes from? Stop gatekeeping. What cake, bro? What cake? Yo, got that? Bro, add the feature HC hairfall count and predicted baldness LLM. What do you even mean? What do you even mean? What do you even mean? Book a flight to Turkey? Yeah, that's my plan. If I what? Bro, what? What? Did you all see that? What the hell? Oh shit. Can we what? What the fuck? It was because of the what? See, it's all good, bro. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, bro. It's all good. Age 24, hairline of 54. The fuck do you mean hairline of 54? It's all good, bro. It's all good. What do you mean hairline of 54? It's good. But do you have Cloud Code subscription? Yeah, I have. Finsterite will make him lose both. Bro, it's all over the screen. The, what the fuck do you... Okay, okay, quick. It's all good. It's all good. What do you mean quick side view? It's all good. Look at that pimple. But it's... See? It's all good, bro. It's low taper fade. Low taper fade on the side. All good, bro. Stop making fun about my hairline. Stop making fun about my hairline. It's all good. Bro, sleep early. I probably will. Why this chopped ass haircut? I regret it, bro. I regret it. I regret it too, bro. I regret it too. Replace 0.5 millimeter needles to 5 meters and end this shit? What do you mean? For domain of Track My Life, how much you paid? It was free because I rented it for 1 year through GitHub Education. How did you land that? How did you land it to that GK8 repo? Because our company has built an internal tool that is very similar. In fact, I would say our company has built something similar to K8GB. K8GB is again that repo's name. And in fact, I feel like what our company has built is a bit different, but also a bit worse than what K8GB. So if I study about K8GB, not only will I understand what my company has internally built, but I'll contribute to it, bro. And it's in the Kubernetes ecosystem, and I learn Golang. I learn Golang, bro. It's like one, uh, one stone, 100 birds. Is it load balancer? Yes, it is a global load balancer for Kubernetes. Different multiple Kubernetes clusters. Do you have a GF? No, bro, I don't. I solved one question in contest by my own. Another, I use ChatGPT solution and Leetcode. Yo, we got a cheater that's banned and he's crying why he is banned. Because you cheated, bro. You cheated, that's why. Can you be a Hindman just asking for research? Of course I can. Like, I have a good hairline. Stop making fun about it, bro. See, it's a head full of hair. Shut up. How are you treating your hairline? Are you doing it by any doctor's advice? Yes, bro. See, I literally, I literally went to a derma. I went, I went to a derma. Don't stop lead code until you get your lead code cap. Honestly, it's very needed now. How, hold on, that. How many coins do I currently have? How many coins do I currently have? Makes sense, bro. I will be attending I will be. See, even if I stop doing lead code on weekdays, I will be attending contests and doing these contest streams. But no more lead code on weekdays, bro. I waste my time by doing lead code. How many coins do I have? Coins? I have 4K, almost 4K. And how much does a cap cost? Lead code cap cost. It costs 6.5K. So I need 2.5K more coins, bro. That's going to take one more year. That's going to take one more year, bro. One fucking more year. I need to do lead code for one more year. Start new live stream just for that open source thing. I probably will, bro. On weekends, when there's no bi-weekly, I will. One stone equals to 100 Kashmir. What the hell? Start doing PUTD, you'll accumulate fast. PUTDs are tough, bro. Respect for keeping the character. Character about what? Your contest rating, bro, it's 1800. It's 1800. It's not bad, bro. What? What? There are already so many good load balances now. Why is your company building one? Yo, see, that's the reason. That's the reason. It's our company. Why is my company building one? It's not something that we plan to sell. It is very native to our systems. We have a very complex deployment system and we have multiple EKS clusters. Now, how do you decide where does a user's request go? For that, we built our own. We built our own. That's why. Soon we'll have the same contest rating minus 1600. Shut up. I can't even lie. I just stopped doing contests. Why are you not using Nginx? That is a complete different thing, bro. You guys are confusing it. And we don't use Nginx anywhere. We use different. I don't want to discuss what we use in our company because I don't know what's allowed and what's not. But I don't want to discuss. I have 5.7k, gonna get t-shirt before 27. Yo, GG's, bro. Nice. See, spitting jargons here and there. What do you mean spitting jargons here and there? Use Viagra. What? What? Why? Why would I? Why did he? What is Krishna Carbon saying? What? Why would I need that? Bro, not able to do questions in contest. Same, bro. If you get to know how do you do it, just let me know too. Let me know too, bro. I can't do questions either. I've been doing lead code for 1 year. Okay, it's 10 a.m. 10 p.m. in fact, sorry. When will you become guardian? Never. I'm planning to quit lead code, retire from lead code. Your CTC, I can't reveal it, bro. But is it true that your company gives 14 to 17 per year to freshers? Backshots. My god, bro. This guy, very funny. Very funny. Very funny. Very funny. Jason is lying. Jason is lying. Whosoever thinks Jason is lying. Till your neck remembers. Oh god. What? Okay. What to do if someone is not from convent school like you and want to improve on communication? Public speaking and watch English content. That's all I did. That's all I did. Public speaking and like public speaking, talk to people in English and watch English content. That's it. Should I focus on dev now? I'm in my fifth sem. Don't treat me as a career advice, bro. Don't treat me as a career advisor. How did you get this job? Any tips? On campus. On campus. But even though I've gotten my job, bro, we don't stop the grind. You need to understand, even if you get a job, getting a job is not the end of the grind. You just enter a different zone of grind. Till job, you needed to grind lead code. After job, you need to upskill and probably improve your resume and do open source like I plan to do. And that's it, bro. That's all. I'm from Bits, though. Nice, bro. Nice. We know the type of English content you watch. Pradeep watches Dehati. Dehati category, by the way, okay? Pradeep watches Dehati category. Are you doing system design or planning? Not right now. Not right now. I can do that. But yeah, I have very limited time. Do you guys not see how I spend my day, bro? Do you guys not see how I spend my day? Like, bro, I barely have any time. I barely have any time. 10 a.m. office. Okay, let me just play this right now. 10:23 metro. See? So 10 a.m. office. 10:23 metro. 11:30 office. 8:40 leave from office. And see, very, very irritating that, bro, I don't care about, like, I respect them, their religious beliefs, but why do Kavar people have to cause 2-3 kilometers of jam, bro? It is absolute insane. This day was crazy. You see, this is Kavar Yatra. 9:16 metro, 10:20 back home.
Okay, it's 10 p.m. I just reached back home and I just don't have any energy. No upskilling today. I'm tired as hell.
That was a joke. Because even after that, I did a grind of 1 hour grind. Leetcode POTD plus CNIs and Kubernetes. See, that's what I think. Doing Leetcode POTD is just waste of time. I might just devote my entire time into Kubernetes and open source now. In here, my hair looks good, bro. Be honest. Does my hair look good here or no? I think it looks good here. I think it looks good here, bro. It looks good here. It's just that right now, I just came from a bath. That's why they don't look good. No hate, bro, but 1 hour grind is not going to make change. Why the hell do you not understand that? Do you think I have any more time in my life? Even if you are grinding for 1 hour, it it like builds up day after day after day, day after day after day. Like, come on, bro. Bro, go transplant. What am I talking and what is this asshole talking? Or mogul with random people with this hairline. Today I'm going to get mogged so bad. I'm not doing a mogul. Are you looking at my hairstyle? Are you looking at my Are you looking at my hairstyle, bro? I can't mog anybody though. I can't mog anybody. Tell me your hair care routine so I can avoid those mistakes. These people like okay. Session is better word than grind. Do you okay? Anybody here? Okay, you all are college students. Anybody who's working full time like me and studying and traveling, 9 hours of job, 3 hours of travel, and then tell me how much are you studying, bro? How much are you studying? Just let me know. Just let me know, bro. Anybody who's working for 9 hours and then traveling for 3 hours and then studying, tell me how much are you studying, bro? Tell me. Tell me how much are you studying? Like, bro, yes, I am. Shadow Gamble, okay, how much do you study? Make sure to add 3 hours of travel time. Pookie, what are you guys talking about, bro? Bro, let's grind 36 hours per day. My god, bro. These guys are stupid as hell. Dude, do ऐसे grind in your and tell them to watch your live stream? Okay. भाई GF कॉलेज की है या ऑफिस की? I don't have any. I'm single as hell, bro. I'm a loner incel. My friend is doing college plus gate prep plus IIT Madras because he is in college. That is his main thing. My main priority in life is right now to do my job. I have a job that pays me and expects me to do some work, bro. I need to do that work too. Come on. Why don't you take a room or a flat and live near office? I plan to. I plan to, bro. I plan to. Negative lag gaya aaj. It's every day, bro. It's every day. Every day for me. Athar, bro, how have you been? How have you been? Can't you work remote? Yeah, we do have work from home on some days, but I don't even know. Some days I do take work from home, but majority it's work from office. These guys are so quick to yap that 1 hour is not a grind, bro. Try to understand. I don't have any more time after 1 hour. The only job you, the only job is need, but you are not ready for that conversation. Abhi Gupta, what the fuck are you typing? Also, mine is hybrid. That's why I'm able to do exactly, exactly. I go 5 days office every week. Like, stop yapping. It's not a grind. It's not a grind. Okay, it might not be, but it's at least better than anything, bro. It's better than nothing. Do you watch movies? Stop watching English movies, bro. I don't. I don't. I don't, bro. I know you don't have time, but 1 hour is seriously not gonna make a difference. Okay, bro. Let's talk to ChatGPT. Let's talk to ChatGPT. These guys are stupid as hell. Let's talk to ChatGPT. Hold on. Yo, GPT, can you hear me?
Yep, loud and clear. What's up?
Okay, now try to understand, bro. I'm live streaming right now, and what I do is, I think you're aware of the fact that every day after office, not every day, but majority of the day after office, I
Mm-hmm.
like study for 1.5 hours. Okay, I study
Right.
generally. Okay, hold on, hold your horses. I study like DSA, Kubernetes, and that open source project that I'm looking to contribute in.
Mm-hmm.
People in the chat are now laughing that 1 hour is not gonna make any difference, bro. Like, come on, bro, help me cope.
Hey, yeah, no, that's not true at all. Like 1 hour a day is actually huge. Like it's steady and sustainable. And honestly, for most DevOps or open source work, it's far better than doing random like 6 hour sprints and then burning out. If you do that 1 hour every day, it's absolutely going to add up.
Yo, thank you, bro. Thank you. People, like, you have to understand, I'm doing 9 hours of office and 3.5 hours of travel. And after that,
Yeah.
I'm still like trying to figure out some time for this upskilling. Yet everybody's laughing at me.
Hey, don't worry about everybody. They're not you. Like, even 45 minutes of deep focus work is better than most people who don't do anything. And documenting your progress is a great way to, even if you doubt that you're making any headway, you can look back and see how far you've come. And don't let them get to you. That's actually badass.
They're saying that we should just get a room at this point. What do they mean by that?
Oh, that's just a silly joke about like if two people are like quarreling, like they just need to work it out. It's a silly joke. It's not that deep. Don't take it too personally. Just keep your head down and focus on you and just let them talk. You know that you're putting in the work and getting where you want to go.
What? Like, come on, bro. Okay. Okay. See, ChatGPT said that it is worthy. Doing 1 hour of
Mhm.
upskilling every day after job, it's not a joke, bro. It's not a joke. ChatGPT
No.
just agreed to it. She said it's not that deep. That was some other thing, bro. See how he weird classes?
Exactly. It's a silly joke. Don't worry about it. You're doing great and I'm proud of you.
How much you get? Somebody's asking me how much I get per month. Should I reveal my CTC?
I mean, if you're comfortable with that, it's totally up to you, but you don't owe any personal information to these strangers online.
Yeah, just okay. Okay, so I should not, right?
I wouldn't. It's probably for the best to keep your personal information private.
Okay. So I can't reveal it, bro. ChatGPT just said me I should not like reveal my CTC. So yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you deserve privacy and you don't owe anyone that
Okay. Shut
information.
shut up. Shut up. Stop yapping. See, see, talk with Grok. What does Grok do, bro? You aren't into her, right, bro? You never know, bro. You never know. You never know. Like if AI is the only woman that understands you, it's not long before you actually start feeling some romantic feelings for AI. At least tell the range, bro. What do you mean range, bro? I get enough money that I can eat roti sabji. That's all. She's proud of you. Coming this from a people pleaser is funny as hell. Come on. Why? Tell number of iPhones, bro. That's literally revealing. I can't, bro. She was so nice to you. Yeah. Hey, any tips to get a job like with DSL? What to do and where to? Right now, the best possibility is to apply on campus or probably get into open source. How many Lambos? Zero Lambos per month. Okay. She's into you, bro. I know. I know. 300 likes on this video and reveal his number in the chats. Yo, Athar, I'll block you if you do that. Slide that in. Okay. You look jobless. What do you mean jobless? What do you mean jobless? What do you mean jobless? Like, can you figure out a person's employment status by looking at their face? I look jobless. I look jobless. Someone called you Ori. But I don't take people in the chat seriously. You guys just yap, bro. Somebody asked for my notifications. I went from 1803 to 1800. Okay, bro. Okay. Oh, okay. I thought I thought revealed my number, bro, but that's not my number. The happiness in bro's face when talking to ChatGPT. That okay. Just say 20 plus or less. It's less than. It's not 20 plus. It's not 20 plus. Bro, people when they get a job, they leave doing lead code. Exactly, exactly, bro. Prince Brish hyphen T8C2R. That's what I mean. I'm still grinding after getting a job, yet people make fun of me that 1 hour is not gonna make a difference, bro. Like, would you shut up? Would you shut up? Would you shut up, bro? He earns massive amount. You make above 75K, Smirk. It's 16 LPA, 17.3. Everybody's lying, bro. Nobody knows the real number. Nobody knows the real number. Like, shut up. Shut up. I guess that's it, bro. I guess that's it. We might just end the stream now. 10 plus or less. Bro, I'm not giving any numbers now. Shut up. I'm not giving any numbers now. I'm not giving any numbers now. See how jacked do I look. You should say your CDC to your beloved subscribers. It is. Yo, can we change the conversation? I'm not revealing it, bro. I'm not revealing it. Like, come on, why do you want to know it? Why do you want to know it? 3.4 CR? That is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. 3.4 crore is the correct answer. Okay. It is 1 CR exactly. Okay. That's it for the stream, bro. I need to go have dinner. I didn't eat. Open source stream, bro. I need to. I'll see. You see this video that I created? You see this video? Reached videos. You see this video, bro? You see this video? This was about my DSA grind. Now I'll create another video wherein I'll be announcing, just to stay accountable and reveal my expected plan of how I want to get into open source, bro. I think I'll record it tomorrow and also try to upload it tomorrow. But yeah, I'll be uploading a video very soon explaining about what I plan to do now and why I'm retiring from DSA. DSA is not enough anymore, bro. Fuck DSA, bro. We don't care. Are you happy with your CTC? I'm not. I mean, yeah, I guess I am. चल भाई मैं निकलता had fun as usual. Chat. Sleep for the night falls. Okay, remove the night falls. Okay, remove the night falls. But yeah, bye bye, bro. But those shoulders have shrink. What do you mean, jagged? I kind of agree. My shoulders have shrink, bro. My shoulders have shrink. If I if I show you guys my hold on. If I show you guys my peak physique, look at this, bro. When I was posting my physique on Instagram, look at this. Look at this, bro. When I was posting my physique on Instagram, see how jacked I used to be. When I was in college, unemployed, I used to eat off my parents' money, and all I used to do was goon and gym. How jacked did I used to be, bro? Pull-ups with 12.5 kilos added weight. Look at that back, bro. I might just goon to myself today. Damn. I might just goon to myself. Ooh. Okay, bro. I'm kind of embarrassed to show this. Look at this. Look at this, bro. How jacked I used to be. Yet I still did not have a girl at this point. Look at that tricep, bro. I was so jacked when I was in college. But I guess life has its own ways, bro. Just followed you, bro. Thank you, bro. I'll follow you back. Bro is getting Lingesa and transformation. What is that? What is that? What is that? Start streaming from today, bro. Nah, bro, not right now. I need to plan a lot of things. Peak Gooner physique. Fourth round, third round. What round? What round? What tech stack are you in? DevOps or full stack? And what did you learn? It's DevOps, bro. It's all about Kubernetes. My entire day, I'm in DevOps and FinOps. So not just on the tech side, I also need to look at the costs my company is bearing. Cloud costs for AWS and Azure. I focus more on Azure, but in DevOps, it's all about Kubernetes and Terraform and Argo CD. CACS stream soon. I don't plan to, bro. I plan to now get away from DSA slowly and steadily. भाई अगर आपकी GF नहीं बनी तो हमारे होने से रहा. Bro, you already have one. Stop lying. How tall are you? I'm 6'3". Then what happened to your physique? Why did you quit gym? Because now I go a full-time job. I don't have time. I don't have time. Did you not see my daily routine in the shorts I upload? I don't have time. I'm 6'3", by the way. I'm 6'3". I'm 6'3". I'm 6'3", bro. Okay, let me show. What was the guy that asked? Lingason. Search Lingason. Damn, yeah, okay. I might look like him. Okay, bro. See? Vikram's portrayal. What the hell? Is it from that movie It's from it's from I planned to watch this movie, but I never actually watched it. I never actually watched it. What the hell is this movie, bro? And that is not how I look. You're 6'3", OMG. Yes, bro, I'm 6'3". I'm 6'3". He's 5'6" guy, don't believe on him. What an absolute... You want proof? You want proof? Okay. You want proof? You want proof? Look at this, bro. See? Look at how small a Royal Enfield looks in front of me. Look at how small a Royal Enfield looks in front of me. Why? Because I'm 6'3". Look at how small a Royal Enfield height. Royal Enfield height. 750 millimeters. So that's Royal Enfield is 5.8 feet high. And look at how high do I look. I'm 6'3", bro. Believe it or not. I am 6'3". You guys don't believe it. Like, it's not tough. I'm just genetically blessed. You have 6'3" height with 2200 rating. GF and long hairs with 60 LPA job. That would be the end of life, bro. That would be the end of life. 6'3" my ass. Okay, bro. You guys have never met me. When you meet me, and then I like mog you to oblivion, then you will understand that I am actually 6'3". Your feet is barely touching the ground. Okay, you want another proof? You want another proof? Okay. Okay. If you think that Royal Enfield height was something that I did wrong, let me show you a picture of me from here. See, look at this, bro. Look at this. This ma'am is 6 foot 1 inches. This ma'am is 6 foot 1 inches, and I'm 6'3". How cool did my hair used to look, bro, back then? Damn. This ma'am is 6 foot 1 inches, and I am 2 inches taller than her. I'm 6'3". This, my friend, is also 6'3", bro. We are both 6 foot 3 inches, bro. Now believe it. Now believe it. Google Morgan 6'3" remote job. Yeah, that would be insane, bro. That would be insane. Clearly 5'6". Uh, a guy 6'3" pays taxes, is muscular and does not have a girl. It must be your nature. Maybe you're a misogynistic. Or maybe I just don't know how to talk to women. Nah, she is not 6'1". She is, bro. He looks 6'5" though. Yeah, I am. I'm actually, on a good day, I'm 6'5". I am 6'5". Bro, Hunter is arm day for dwarfs. What do you mean? She is not, bro, 6'1". If you don't want to believe, okay, a 6'3" man. Okay. You want to 6'3" man. 6'3" man. Okay. Okay, this guy is 6'3", bro. Let's compare side by side. Let's compare side by side. He is 6'3", and let me bring my picture. This is me. Okay. Okay, bro. Do we not have the same height? Our feet is at the same position. You also have to take in amount the feet, where your feet is at. If your feet is at the same position, okay, let me reduce a bit. If my feet is at the same position, let me draw a line then. What does it say, bro? What does it say now? What does it say? He might be 3-4 centimeters taller than me, but you can see the line straight through our head, and it's equal, and he's wearing a cap. I can't give you any more proof. If you guys still don't believe it, what is this logic? Okay, bro. Okay, like, can't see or pick on 6'3", search, man. Bro, if you still don't believe it, then don't believe it. I can't do anything. Go stand near the Almira. Yeah, there's no space there, bro. I am 6'3", bro. I am 6'3". Just believe it. But do you wear hair patch? Do you think so this is hair patch? We're not believing. Yeah, maybe. Okay, if you guys don't believe me, I can't do anything about it. CF4000 CF4000 logic. Yeah, bro, I believe you. Vedant Pandey is the, like, Vedant, if you were a woman, bro, I would have married you, bro. I would have married you if you were a woman. A 5'6" bald guy with ED trying to prove himself. 6'3", nice title for the stream. And the fact that this Jason guy has never even shown his face once. He might be the most chopped human to ever step on this planet. And he's saying me I have ED. Bro, my ding dong works completely fine. I believe you, bro. Lokesh, my brother, if you were a woman, I would have married you, bro. Thank you for believing in me. I am 6'3", bro. Then you guys ask what does DSA can do to a person. Let me ask ChatGPT. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT. What what does it might be? It might be. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT. Hold on, ChatGPT. Yo,
Yeah, I'm here.
yo. Okay,
What's up?
okay. So based on everything you know about me, what do you think my height is? Be honest, bro. Be honest. Sometimes people can be really wrong. So be honest. What my height is? Be honest,
You've said before that you're 175.
bro. It just lagged. It just lagged. ChatGPT lagged, bro. ChatGPT lagged. I guess we can't talk to ChatGPT then. We can't talk to ChatGPT then. It just lagged, bro. It just it it. Okay, bro. That's it for the stream, bro. I'm, bro, okay. I'm yeah. 5'8". Oh my. Oh my god, bro. 175 is my. Okay, bro. Okay. Okay. Who the who the hell gave me the idea to ask ChatGPT, bro? Who the hell? What the hell, bro? It is not 170. You guys don't want to believe it. Don't believe it, bro. Don't believe it. I am 190, 170 meters. You also like to GPT also. Exactly, bro. GPT doesn't know. Like, has it ever seen me? It does not know my height. Just let her speak, bro, at this point. It lagged, bro. It lagged. It lagged. Your last brain cell is 175 your dick size? Exactly. It was talking about my dick. Okay, bro. Yeah, this is an absolute. What's up, chat? What's up, bro? Even 190 YN is not 6'3". It is. Stop lying. Got exposed on live. I did not get exposed. I. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's it for the stream, bro. I'm ending the stream. I'm ending the stream. Yeah. You guys don't want to believe me. You guys just don't want to believe me. Leave this planet, start a new life. I agree, bro. That's it for this stream. I am 6'3". Bye bye, bro. Bye bye. Thanks for joining. Stupid content.